Okay, guys, welcome to my class and thank you for joining me once again. I have this question that says an isotope has an atomic number of 15 and a mass number of 31. The number of protons contains, we have the option here. So this question brings us to atomic structure of an element. If this represents the structure of atom of an element, and here is the nucleus, and we have here the electrons, and here is the K shell. Of course, we know that the K shell is very close to the nucleus. This nucleus here, the nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Now, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons will give us what is known as the mass number. By the number of protons alone will give us the atomic number. So a mass number can be defined as the sum of the numbers of neutrons and the numbers of protons, while atomic number is the numbers of protons. Okay, so if this represents an atom of an element, and we have A represent the mass number and Z represent the atomic number, that is exactly what this question is talking about. Now, the question says this is an isotope that has an atomic number of 15. So, if this an isotope of an atom has an atomic number of 15, it means that let's assume that the element which we do not know is X. Now that the Z is 15, that is the atomic number, and the mass number of 31, which means we're having 31 here. And the question says the number of protons contain these protons here is the same thing as the atomic number. What differs here is the number of neutrons. The number of protons is still 15. 15 is still the number of protons. Why, if you subtract 15 from 31, we're going to have 16. Why 16 is the number of neutrons. When you add the number of neutrons on the number of protons, they will give us the mass number. Why the number of protons will give us the atomic number. So from this question, the correct answer is option B. See you in my next class.